Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the average if formula with less than or greater than criteria. Okay, let's get started. For example, I have a data like this, and I want to calculate the average selling price before month 4, like this, and then next, first just select the cell where you want the result. For example, I want to place it over here, and then next just type like this, equal average if, like this, and then next just select the range where Excel will check the conditions. In this case, I use the months column, like this, like this, and then next just enter the criteria to calculate these sales before month 4. Just type like this, less than, and then just select the month like this, and then next just select the range that contains the sales price that you want to average, like this, and then next just close the bracket and press enter, like this, and you're done. Excel now calculates the average selling price for the sales before month 4. And then in here you can also use the same formula with the more than signs to calculate value after a specific month or specific value or specific criteria. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.